Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to install Decky Loader on a Steam Deck. Step 1 is installing Decky Loader requires entering Steam Deck's desktop mode. You want a good Steam Deck docking station to prop your handheld up as the teeny PC does not come with a stand. Step 2, installing Decky Loader on the deck is so much easier if you use an external keyboard and mouse. If you own a docking station, it should have a USB connections that will let you plug in a wired keyboard and mouse. Personally, I think it's best to use a wireless keyboard and mouse with the deck. To do this, press the Steam button, scroll to settings, then Bluetooth, click show all devices and pair your go-to wireless mouse and keyboard combo. Step 3, press the Steam button below the left trackpad. Scroll down to power, then select switch to desktop to access the little machine's Linux powered OS. In this mode, your deck basically functions as a palm-friendly PC. Step 4, open a web browser such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome in a desktop mode. Then visit the Decky Loader GitHub link to download and install Decky Loader. Click the green code button on this page that hit download zip from the subsequent drop-down menu. Step 5, after the Decky Loader installation process is complete in desktop mode, double-click the return to gaming mode icon so your desktop. Step 6, gaming mode icon on your desktop. Step 6, once back in gaming mode, press the QAM button. Now scroll to the bottom of the menu to discover your new Decky slide bar represented by a plug icon. Select the little settings icon in the top right of this tab. Then in the general menu, select check the updates to ensure you are using the latest version of this. Step 7, go back to the Decky sidebar and click the box icon next to the settings icon you pressed in the previous step. You then presented with a vast array of plugins arranged in alphabetical order. Simply press install on any plugins you like the sound of and you'll be able to access and use them from the Decky Loader. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.